Lucas McSherry gets grounded.
Got it! I'm not gonna let you get away! Ha! You don't hit me! Shut the fuck up! Good. Blah 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 blah.
How do we get out of here? Lucas, I don't think there's
The school fire alarm. That's it. When the fire alarm goes off, we get out of the school early.
They'll get us all out of school right now. Lucas, you're gonna fail this. This is not gonna end well.
Fanny, what, Lucas? Can I go to the toilet? Sure, 5 minutes. Go! Okay. I'm counting! Blah, 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 blah.
All right, there it is. Time to get out of school.
Oh,
God.
Everybody, do not panic. Everybody, do not panic. Everybody, let's just go. Come on, come on. Oh, jeez, I left all my stuff in there. I just hope it doesn't go on fire and burn down. Right, everybody, calm down, calm down. Everybody, right, everybody, get in line. All classes get in line. I have to make sure nobody's still in there. Let's check if everybody's here.
Oh, yes, this is going exactly how I wanted it. All I have to do now is tell the entire school what he did. And then he'll get arrested by the police and I won't have to deal with him ever again. He will not see it coming. I'm about to give him a massive surprise.
So, about that fire. Well, there was no fire. Wait, what are you talking about? The alarm went off. Well, we're getting the police to investigate who have put off the alarm. We're checking the fingerprints is what we're trying to say. Oh, you don't have to do that. Oh, but I think we have to. I'm sorry. And whoever it is going to jail for a week. Wait, what? You look really suspicious, kid. Oh, don't worry, you guys. You guys don't have to. I'll tell you guys everything. No, come on, Fiery. You don't have to tell him. Oh, but I think I do, Lucas. I think I do. Fiery, I thought we were friends. I thought you were gonna keep it secret. You always keep these things secret between me and you and everyone else. Not this time. Hold on. Fiery, you're scaring me. Why are you doing this? I got you now. Ah! What's going on? What the heck are you doing here, Notebook? What is this? Oh, I'll tell you what happened, Fanny. He told me everything he was gonna do. He was the one who shut off the alarm. Is that true, Lucas? No. Yes, it is! You didn't see me, dude. Oh, but you told me. And you admitted it to me as well. Did you pull off the school fire alarm? Did you? We have security cameras, so we will know the truth anyway. Well, he told me everything. Yes. You do know that pulling off a school fire alarm is a serious crime, you know that, right? Wait, what? I didn't know that. It doesn't matter. He's still coming a minute. Take him away. Ah! The end.